from the Stonecutter 12th chapter we have done. Okay, we have completed the grammar part also. We have done the grammar exercise also, right? So today we're going to start with the nouns. Okay, that is talking about the gender, right? So they are being given to you in your books, chapter number 7, page number 28. Okay, we're going to start with that. Okay, so in English language, basically there are four types of gender which is being given to you over here. Okay, I'm writing them on the board. The one is masculine gender. Number two, feminine gender, right? Third is neuter gender, and the fourth one is common gender, right? So basically, they are talking about four types of gender when we talk about in English language. Okay, चार कौन से हो गए हमारे पास? Masculine number one, number two feminine, number three common, and number फोर न्यूट्रल, राइट? ये चार टाइप के जेंडर हैं जो हमारे इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में हमें दिए हुए हैं. गिवन इन आर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इज बेसिकली फोर टाइप्स ऑफ जेंडर. Clear to everyone? You should remember the names of all, right? That is the masculine. I'm pronouncing, please listen it. Masculine, then feminine, then common, and then the neuter, right? These are the four types of gender given to you. Now, one by one, we will talk about all kinds of gender, right? Right? So, the noun that refers to the male is said to be the masculine gender. जब किसी मेल के लिए हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is your masculine gender, right? Right? So in the noun which is referred to the male one will be countable in your masculine gender. Like example की हम बात करें, man, boy, right? They are coming in the male. Okay, okay. Then uncle, male, right? Then cock, it is given in your books. Okay, so basically when they are talking about the male version, male noun, that will come under your masculine. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट हम बात करते हैं फेमिनिन की. फेमिनिन here refers to the female. Okay, so when we are talking about female, we are talking about feminine gender, right? And when we talking about the female, obviously man का क्या हो जाएगा? एग्जाम्पल अगर हम देंगे, इससे हम अपोजिट जाएंगे तो बॉय का गर्ल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, फिर आपका अंकल है, आंट हो जाएगा, राइट? एंड द लास्ट इज कॉक इज गिवन टू यू, का हैन हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so these are the basic difference between the two. First you have to understand the one which is called as the masculine gender and the other which is known as the feminine. Muscular and feminine. When we talk about muscular, that means male, and when we talk about feminine, that means female. So when it is talking about male, the example which is given to you are man, boy, uncle. Okay, and when they're talking about female, they are just opposite to it. That is your female examples you have to give like woman, girl, aunt, etc. Clear to everybody? क्लियर? आराध्या, चेतन, लोकेश, मनीष, ऋषि, ऋतिका, रुद्राक्ष, श्रेयांश. Okay. Now, when this two is clear, I will tell you two more and then I will ask you. Okay? Right? Now, the third one is the common gender. So, when we are talking about the common gender, that means a noun that refers to either the male और द फीमेल. चाहे हम मेल की बात करें या हम फीमेल की बात करें, ऐसा कोई नाउन आ रहा है तो दैट विल बी कम अंडर योर कॉमन जेंडर. राइट? दैट इज योर कॉमन जेंडर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. दैट इज यू कैन से पेरेंट्स, मेल फीमेल दोनों आ गए. स्टूडेंट्स, कोई भी हो सकता है स्टूडेंट्स में. टीचर्स, कोई भी हो सकता है. पेंटर, कोई भी हो सकता है. आर्टिस्ट, कोई भी हो सकता है. So these type of, you can say, when there is a common thing presenting, that is male and female both are included and we can't differentiate between them, at that time it is said to be your common gender. Right? So I'm talking about the common gender, that means including male and female. राइट? बोथ मेल और फीमेल, हम दोनों की बात कर रहे हैं. राइट? तो अब हम इसके एग्जांपल्स अगर देते हैं तो क्या होगा? पेरेंट्स सबसे पहले, both male and female are there in when we talking about parents. When we talk about students, it is both included male and female. Right? When we talk about painter, okay, the painter can be anyone. Okay, same as we talk about the artist, can be anyone, male or female. That is no particular word given for them. Right? So in this case, it will be known as your common gender. Clear to everyone? Any issues? Chetan, Aradhya, Ritika, Rishi, Rudraksh, clear everyone? Okay. Now the last one. We're talking about the last one, that is the neuter gender. So that when we're talking about neuter gender, a noun that always refers to a non-living thing which is either your male or female is said to be the your neuter gender. Right? Like a book, water, knife, tree. Okay. So it is a non-living thing. So that will become under a neuter gender. Gender. Sorry. The I'm telling you from book also. Just listen to me. A noun that refers to a non-living thing, which is either a male or a female, is said to be the neuter gender. Examples हमने दिया. ठीक है? अब हम बात कर रहे हैं न्यूटर की. ठीक है? तो इसमें क्या हो गया आपका? Which is non-living. Main thing to be understood is it's non-living, right? And when we talk about non-living, examples will be book, table, right? Knife, right? So that will be included in the neutral part, right? Clear? Understood everybody? Now what it is telling you, if you have read in the line, which is also telling you कि living और non living तो है ही, but साथ में मेल एंड फीमेल also होगा वो, ठीक है। तो इसमें अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, आपको एक यूजफुल टिप्स दे रही है, दैट इज देयर आर 3 ways फॉर फॉर्मिंग द फीमेल नाउन, राइट, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फेमिनिन नाउन। उसमें क्या होता है, या तो हम उसमें ऐड कर दे ई डबल एस, लाइक पोएट पुट, ओके, या हम उसमें वर्ड को एक साथ प्रोनाउंस करें, जैसे उल्का, राइट। और हम क्या करें, उसमें आफ्टर बिफोर में हम जो है चेंजेस करें, जैसे ग्रैंड ग्रैंड तो हम लिख रहे हैं, तो ग्रैंड फादर कर देंगे, मेल हो जाएगा, ग्रैंड मदर कर देंगे, फीमेल हो जाएगा, राइट। So these are the 3 useful things, or you can say which is given for you as a thing to be remembered. Okay. So now we'll talk about the way of forming the feminine of noun. ठीक है, नाउन कैसे हम बनाएंगे जब हम बात कर रहे हैं फेमिनिन की, जब हम बात कर रहे हैं मस्कुलिन की। Have you ma'am has explained you this chapter? Manju ma'am has explained you this chapter before? Yes, Ritika, Manish. Okay, right. So now we'll talk about the masculine and the female part, राइट। मैं एकदम सिंपल वर्ड एक 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 एग्जांपल्स आपको समझाऊंगी, एकदम सिंपल सिंपल पहले, ठीक है, बाद में हम उसको ग्रेजुअली एग्जांपल इंक्रीज करेंगे। सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, ऐड करना है ई डबल एस, जो हमने अभी प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़ी है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम पुट करेंगे, राइट। जैसे मैंने बात करी आपके सामने ऑथर की, ठीक है, और यहीं पे मैंने कर दिया ऑथर और लगा दिया ई डबल एस, ऑथर प्रेस, राइट। तो यहाँ मैंने क्या ऐड कर दिया, ई डबल एस, मैंने क्या ऐड करा, ई डबल एस। तो ये मेरा क्या हो गया, ये तो मेरा ऑथर था, मेल, मेल की अगर हम बात करें तो मस्कुलिन, ठीक है, सही बिल्कुल। और यही हम ऑथर प्रेस की बात करें तो ये हो गया फीमेल, और ये हो गया हमारा फेमिनिन, करेक्ट। ओके, तो अभी ये चीज क्लियर हुई आपको। इसी में हमें एक एग्जांपल और जोड़ दूं, अगर ऑथर में लायन, राइट, और लायनस, ठीक है। तो ये क्या हो गया हमारा, मस्कुलिन से हमने इसको फेमिनिन में ले लिया, ठीक है। तो वी हैव डिस्क्राइब्ड both types of gender, with one male gender we have started, and we have converted the masculine into feminine just by adding e double s. So ये क्या हो गया, ये एक वे हो गया, दिस इज द वे ऑफ फॉर्मिंग द feminine of noun, right? How you can make a muscular noun, how you can convert the muscular to the feminine just by adding e double s to your word. Clear to everyone? ऑथर के साथ इन्होंने एक और दिया है, होस्ट होस्टेस, पोएट पोएटेस, ऐसे भी हो सकता है। क्लियर एवरीवन? क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? Now what have they done? Okay, good. Now what they are telling, they are telling that sometimes it might happen that the form is slightly changed before ess is being added to that number, right? जैसे masculine में हमने लिखा एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे लिखते हैं, राइट? ठीक है, ये हमने लिया, राइट? अब हम इसमें चेंजेस करते हैं, ठीक है? जैसे क्या बता रहे हैं वो कि आपके फॉर्म में स्लाइटली चेंज होगा। जैसे मैंने लिखा टाइगर, सिंपल। अब मैंने यहाँ पे क्या कर दिया, टाइग्रस। तो यहाँ पे क्या था, ई आर, यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, आर ई एस, राइट? A simple form which is being changed, right? And when we talk about actor, but when we write actress, okay, so a little bit changes is being there in the format what we are writing, okay? So what it is saying कि form थोड़ा सा उसका change हो जाता है, actor, actress, right? Master, masteress, right? So masteress तो नहीं होगा, क्या होगा, mistress, MI हो जाएगा, ठीक है? ठीक है, and right, so a slightly changes will make it done। यहाँ पे ओ का चेंज आ गया, ये ई कर दिया, एक्ट्रेसेस हो गया। यहाँ पे ए था, यहाँ पे हमने आई कर दिया। तो a simple forms can be given a change when we are converting masculines into the female, feminine one, that is the male to the female one। Clear to everyone now? Okay. So that means it is clear to you all, right? Okay. Now by use of an entirely different word, अब क्या हो रहा है, बिल्कुल different words का use हो रहा है, तब क्या होगा, जैसे सर, तो सर का तो सर रेस्ट नहीं हो सकता, है ना? तो सर का मैम होगा, what you call a female teacher, right? Madam, ma'am, right? Excuse me. Okay. So now we'll understand this one. Okay. Now we will use when the entire word change, right? So उसमें आपका कैसे changes होगा, फेमिनिन में। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे एक एग्जाम्पल ड्रॉ करेंगे हम। सबसे पहले मैंने लिखा किंग, तो किंग का किंगेस तो होगा नहीं, ठीक है, पूरा चेंज होगा, तो किंग का हमने लिख दिया कोई। तो ये हमारा एक फॉर्म हो गया चेंज होने का। फादर, in the case where the you can say the gender changes to their opposites, okay, and they are not similar, not exactly you can say they are not very uh, same to each other, like just you have to simply add es to it or e double s to it, it is not like that, right? So father का आपका हो गया mother, राइट, है ना? ऐसे ही आपने ले लिया हस्बैंड, तो हस्बैंड इज ऑलवेज, हस्बैंड है तो वाइफ, राइट? तो इस तरीके से एकदम सिंपल सिंपल से एग्जांपल्स हैं जिसके थ्रू मैंने आपको समझाया है, राइट? और नेवर गेट कंफ्यूज बिटवीन दी नेफ्यू एंड niece, sorry, okay, so these are the differences which is given over here, ठीक है? नीज की बात कर रहे हैं हम, वाइफ की बात कर रहे हैं, मदर की बात कर रहे हैं, क्वीन की बात कर रहे हैं, तो दे ऑल आर योर फेमिनिन, लाइक फीमेल्स जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, when we are talking about the husband, father, then they all are being in the category of masculines, that is they are all in the category of males. Have you understood this? Clear to everyone? श्रेयांश समझ आया? रुद्र, ओ सॉरी, रुद्राक्ष, ऋषि, ऋतिक, ऋतिका, मनीष, लोकेश, चेतन, आराध्या, okay. Now what they are doing by changing a word before and after, ठीक है? थ्री रूल्स पढ़े थे हमने, एक हम es लगाते हैं जब, एक जब हम थोड़ा बहुत इंटायर हमारे वर्ड को चेंज करते हैं तब, और एक लास्ट वाला हमारा हो गया जब हम बिफोर एंड आफ्टर कुछ पुट करते हैं तब, राइट? Okay, so now man servant, meat servant, then buck rabbit, dew rabbit, or cock sparrow, hen sparrow. So what they are doing? They are giving the differences between the masculine and your feminine. Okay, what they differ from each other in the case of when we are putting the word before and after, right? Right. Now to buy you're changing the word. Okay, like we're talking about the cock, okay, sparrow, okay, this is the your male version. When we are talking and taking it to female, it will be hen, sparrow, right? So ये change हो गया, okay? So what it is changing? It is changing before, पहले वाला, तो change कहाँ पे आ रहा है यहाँ पे? Before, right? It is being changed before, okay? Clear? Now we will talk about next example, like you will talk about the man servant and maid servant, right? So ये आ गया आपका man और maid means before, right? Okay, clear to everyone? And when we talk about grandfather and grandmother, right? Again, before it is being there, okay. Grand is same. And what is changing? Father, mother. So this is the after one changes. Clear everyone? Understood? ये मैंने आपको एक लास्ट वाला बताया आफ्टर चेंजेस का, इसी में मैं आपको और बता रही हूँ। ओके, ठीक है। जैसे अब हम लेंगे आफ्टर वाला, ठीक है। जैसे कि लैंड लॉर्ड, राइट। यहाँ पे हो गया लैंड लेडी, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट मिल्कमैन, मिल्कमेड, right? Or you can say washerman, washerwoman. Simple I'm taking. Okay. Now this is clear to you. So you understood the difference between the male and the female at the time of changing it after. Okay. And some exceptions now they are talking about. Okay, like bridegroom, right? So female will be bride. Okay. Then we talk about hero, heroine. There are exceptions, right? Then widower, widow, right? Okay, and from the foreign languages, it is more changeable, like in view, bella, right? Executor, executrix, okay, that is your executress, right? So you don't have to, you can say the main basic thing is to be understood by you, understand by you is that when it is being changing from the your masculine to the feminine, and it is being said that it is being done from the male to female changes, right? And that too has been given with the three useful trips, that is, in first when we are making changes we need to put ess, right? And when we are talking secondly we will say that when the entire word is being changed, being different. And the third one tips is that when we are changing the word and putting it before and after, in that case also we can change from the male to the female form, right? Clear to everyone? Understood? Okay, so here are some of the nouns of the common gender which has been given, like your artist, doctor, lawyer, relations, athlete, driver, neighbor, servant, baby, enemy, officer, slave, bird, flower, orphan, sibling, children, friend, parent, singer. Okay, so these are the types of the Basically common nouns which is being given to you, right? Clear? Doctor is very common. Driver, if it is a male or a female, he or she is a driver, right? Enemy, doesn't matter. Enemy is always been enemy. Friend, okay. Friend will be friend only. Friend can't be girlfriend, boyfriend. Girlfriend will be friend, right? Then you have your parents. Parents are your parents only, accountable for both the male and the female, right? In which both are included is being said to be your common noun, right? Your relations, okay? Your a lawyer, it can be male or female. Doctor can be male, female. Driver can be male, female. Enemy can be male, female. Friend can be male, female. Right? Children when we are child when we are talking about can be male or female. I'm not basically pointing out that that boy has given whatever it is, but what I'm saying that child. I'm talking about the child, okay, and I'm not knowing or I don't want to denote whether it is a male or a female. Okay, then you're having your bird, baby, orphan, sibling, servant, sheep, officer. So they basically whole criteria will be given to the common gender. Okay, clear to everyone? Okay, clear? No doubt. Okay, clear to all of you? No issue. Okay, so here it completes your chapter. Okay. Okay. अब क्या है ये? अब क्या हो रहा है? अब आपको ये चैप्टर आपका कंप्लीट हो गया है जिसमें आपने नाउन पढ़ा है जेंडर का, ठीक है? आपके नाउन में जेंडर क्या है? जेंडर क्या है? इट टेल्स अस वेदर द नाउन, okay, it is telling about that whether a noun presents a male, female or either of any two, ठीक है? बेसिकली यही इसमें ये बताना चाह रहे हैं, ठीक है? अभी आप लोगों को क्लियर हुआ अच्छे से? सबको इंग्लिश समझ में आ रही है सबको? ओके, तो अब एक क्विकली हम एक रिवीजन लेंगे, ठीक है? और अब बुक सबकी बंद होगी, ठीक है? One means one. Everybody will close their book because your time is already completed. Okay, it's better I will give you a quick revision of it. Right? एक छोटा सा रिवीजन मैं आपको दे देती हूँ. हम बात कर रहे हैं, we are talking about, when we talking about the English language, we are basically dividing the gender into four types. Right? That is your masculine, your common noun, or sorry, common gender, feminine gender, and neutral gender. Right? So when we are talking about the your masculine gender, that is a noun that refers to the male. Okay, जब male की हम बात कर रहे हैं तो it is being said to be your masculine. When we are talking about the female one, we are talking about the feminine. Right? Means noun that refers to female will be known as the feminine, and a noun that refers to the male is known as the masculine gender. And when we're talking about common noun, that means a noun when it is referred to the male, female, okay, at that time it is countable in the common gender. And when we are talking about the neuter gender, that means a noun refers to the non-living things, and that can be your female or male. Male, it doesn't matter. So when we talk about the masculine gender, the example is your boy, your uncle, right, man, okay? And when we talk about the feminine, it is your woman, girl, aunt, etc. Talk about our common nouns, it will be included in the parents, students, teacher, parents, because these all are common genders, because in this male is also there and female is also there. And when we do this, we will apply on the three useful tips which is given, and we'll see. First is by adding the e double s to the word. Then in sometimes it happen by adding e double s to any of the word, it change the form slightly of that word. Then third, we are talking about the entire word is different, that is father, mother, right, husband, wife, okay, that way. And when we talk about the third one, that is when we are putting after or before by changing the word. And when we talk about, first we'll talk about the before one, that will be your, you can say any of the example, you can say like man servant, maid servant. When we talk about before putting the word, that will be your grandfather, grandmother, landlord, landlady, okay, anything, washerman, washerwoman, anything. And some exceptionals when we are talking about will be bridegroom, the boy, and the bride, the girl, right? Okay, the widower and the widow, right? Feminine, we are talking about. So these are the simple examples which is given at the back of your book. Okay, and then we talk about some more common gender is your lawyer, officer, sibling, sheep, servant, baby, enemy, friend, doctor. These are come under your common gender, right? So I hope you have clear with this. Now it's time to do the exercise, that is exercise A, B, C, D. So what will happen? D I will not do. It is a word game. You will do it on your own, and you will try to solve exercise number A, B, and C. Right? And we'll continue with the next class whenever we'll have. That will be on Friday. We're not having. Saturday we'll be having. So we'll continue on Saturday. Clear to everyone? Okay. Clear to everyone. Who has left right now? Okay. Chalo. Bye all of you, and take care, and do complete, try to complete your exercise also, right? Thank you so much. Okay, bye bye.